Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply a Sapar visa for Kyrgyzstan. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, Kyrgyzstan has recently gone through tremendous changes in its visa policy. Now, as of Jan 22, they have introduced this SAPER visa, and this is to streamline for entry of foreign citizens for business, tourism, and private visits. Okay, so now if you go to the we'll definitely go through the visa process where we'll see that under the categories there is no tourism, business, or mountain tourism kind of things. Instead, there's a uniform visa. Okay, so this is what we are gonna go ahead with this. All right, guys. So here on the main page, we'll click on apply for a visa. First, select the country. Okay. Again, in our sample case, we are going for tourism. Okay. Of course, I won't be submitting it. Passport type, I select ordinary. Then under visa type, you have to select SAPER visa. Okay. Service level, standard. Okay. We are not applying for what do you call expedited service. Single into multiple. I select single. Oh, I selected multiple. I apologize. I go for single. 1 month, 2 month, 3 month. It's asking. So let's say I go for 2 months. It's like 61 USD. Okay. And what we have to do, see on the right side, it is telling you also that what it can be. What are the things you can do with this visa? Okay. Tourism purpose. Okay. So a lot of questions where people were raising that where is the tourist visa? Where is the tourist visa? You need to agree to. So this is the applicant. And this is the inviting person. Again, it depends on a lot of factors like duration and other things. Okay. And this is applicant data. So let's go through. Go for applicant data. Surname, Issyk Smith, John Smith, date of birth. Oh, 1900 is too small. Now it will be fast. Passport number, issue date, expiry, gender, email address, whatever your email address is, do it. Don't do like this. Do proper email address. I don't know why I'm so poor in capture. So guys, basically what happens is it sends a link or you can say a code to your email address. So you can directly click on the link and proceed. Otherwise, you can come to the site and if you remember on the home page, there was a link continue your application. There you can put the code and proceed. Anyway, phone number. Again, don't do like this. Enter the email address of the applicant on visa system will send verification code to check status of the visa application. Okay, this I'll enter at the end. Contact information of the inviting party. Provide proper information. Don't do like this. Place of stay, like if you're hotel booking or you're gonna stay with someone, provide the details. Planned day of entry. Planned day of exit. Purpose of visit. See here you are getting the option of tourism. Next question is, have you ever visited Kyrgyzstan in last 5 years? I select no. If you have selected, definitely provide the information because anyway they're going to find out. No. Oh yeah, this is has your previous. Okay, if I click on yes, then this a date. So this blank means selected. Wow. Has your visa application to Kyrgyzstan Republic has been rejected? If yes, provide indicate date. I select no. Oh, I understood. So now next page is like photo and documents, passport, written application from tourist organization, personal application from applicant, digital photo, resident card, any other document that you want to. Next is gonna be verification and then submission and payment. Of course, I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. And again, documents and other things can vary based on your nationality and duration and other things. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.